There are 4 methods for creating work orders from within Maintenance Connection. The most common way is used when you're already in the work order module and see that defined in the blue Explorer bar, to click the New button in the top left of your screen. At any point, you can click on the Open button next to the New button and select the work order module. This will take you full screen to the work order module where you can select the option to create a new work order. A new work order can be created directly from the asset you wish to attach to that work order by right-clicking on the asset in the Asset Hierarchy list and selecting New Work Order. This brings the asset directly into the work order from the start. Lastly, from any module, click the down arrow next to the New button and select Work Order. When filling out your new work order forms, make sure to fill in any required fields, such as asset, and any fields with a blue border before clicking Save in the top right-hand corner.